Prime Minister Narendra Modi today launched the Power Ministry's flagship revamped distribution sector scheme during a program marking the culmination of Ujjwal Bharat Ujjwal Bhavishya Power at 2047 through video conferencing. National Legal Service Authority and District Legal Services Authorities can play a great role in the speedy justice delivery system, said Prime Minister Narendra Modi while inaugurating the first All India District Legal Services Authorities meet in New Delhi today. The second edition of the North-East Festival began at Bangkok yesterday with discussions taking the center stage as top Thai tours operators interacted with tourism stakeholders from the northeastern region. Union Home Minister Amit Shah is addressing the National Conference on Drug Trafficking and National Security in Chandigarh today. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong has denied the allegations that BJP workers are harassed by Tura police, even as he admitted that police pick up few people whom they feel they are involved in the case of Bernard and Marak.